In this short video, we're going to go over why Daily Day Trades alerts are a great resource to help with your trading. I'm not going to make any claims about how great I am or how much money you're going to make, so I'm just going to keep it logical from a risk-reward perspective because we're investing and trading, right? All we want to see is a return on each investment that we make. And the investment here is in the alerts, right? And I wanted to make the upfront risk zero, so there is a free trial. You can even cancel during that free trial, and after that, it's only $4.95 per week. So from an investment or risk reward perspective, you need to find $4.95 worth of value each week to make it a worthwhile investment. So how exactly do the alerts work? When I'm posting these trades, I'm looking for one of two things, either a high probability trade or a highly informed trade. Sometimes those will be day trades, swing trades, leaps, straddles, strangles, covered calls, you name it. But I'm always buying for high probability or because it's a highly informed decision. The alerts will look something like this with a watch list every day of varying detail. Sometimes I have a bunch of open trades in macroeconomics to talk about, and sometimes it's just a simple watch list. It just depends on the day. Then I'll post alerts live when I buy a trade like this. I usually provide the price, the date, the strike, and the stop loss or take profit. On this particular channel, it's usually high risk, high reward option trades, and these can be very short term. You can see here I got these SPY calls and sold them almost immediately for a loss, but I turn a lot of them into swings as well. For instance, on these Coinbase puts, we got some here on Monday. A little bit later in Monday, we took some profits, got 28% on there, sold a little bit more and got 50%. That paid for all of our contracts, and we were able to swing them for a really nice gain. Same thing goes for this ExxonMobil. We got some puts here because the oil demand was slowing. We sold some for 50%, and then later in the week we ended up with 344%. Either way, no matter what the time frame is, I try to keep everyone updated with as many details as I can so they can make their own informed decisions on the trade. If you aren't a fan of those super volatile trades, we also have the swing trade portfolio where I'm always adding new ideas and updates on open trades. These can be based off technicals or fundamentals, and we implement a variety of strategies. I mean, just over the last few weeks, we've covered pretty much every facet of swing trading with dividends, value, growth, momentum, technical analysis. And whatever the reason is for buying it, I try to explain it in as much detail as possible, give precise entry, exit points, risk level, duration of the trade, things like that. Lastly, we have education channels where I add relevant information explaining the strategies that we're using, maybe mistakes to avoid, analysis of past trades, and answering long-form questions from members. I'm actually about to add probably 10 more channels of this from articles that I've published, so if you join, be on the lookout for those. Altogether, I'm not claiming to be the master of all things finance, but trading equities is my full-time income, and it has been for some time. Whether you're looking to trade full-time or just looking for ideas and education, I think Daily Day Trades is well worth its price tag, and I know for a fact that current members would agree. So, we've been very transparent with what to expect. If it's something you're interested in, start your free trial today, and let's make some money.